Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we tackled the big question. How many eggs should you really be eating per day? If you missed that one, I highly recommend you pause this video, go watch it first, and then come right back. It sets the perfect foundation for what we're about to dive into today. Alright, now that you're caught up, let's get into the main event. What actually happens inside your body when you make eggs a daily habit? For decades, eggs have been the bad guy in the nutrition world. People pointed fingers, blaming them for heart disease, skyrocketing cholesterol, and a whole list of health problems. But here's the uncomfortable truth that's finally coming to light. Most of that fear was built on a shaky foundation of bad science, misleading studies, and a massive nutritional misunderstanding. Modern research is telling a completely different story. So today, I'm going to walk you through 10 real, measurable changes that happen inside your body when you eat eggs every single day. And this isn't based on old headlines. It's backed by biology. The best part? Some of these effects can start happening within just a few days. Let's start with number 1. Your brain gets a major upgrade in fuel. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of a nutrient called choline. Seriously, most people are walking around with dangerously low levels of this stuff and don't even know it. Choline is absolutely essential for memory formation, focus and attention, mood regulation, and even the communication between your liver and your brain. When you're low on choline, you might experience brain fog, poor concentration, and you're even at a higher risk for fatty liver and long-term cognitive decline. By eating eggs daily, you're helping to restore one of your brain's most critical and overlooked building blocks. Number 2, your cells become more resilient. Think about it this way. Every single cell in your body, from your skin to your organs, has a protective outer layer called a cell membrane. And what is that membrane largely made of? Cholesterol and phospholipids. Eggs supply the exact structural fats and usable cholesterol your body needs to build and maintain these membranes. They also provide fat-soluble vitamins that protect the integrity of your cells. This means that daily egg consumption directly supports faster tissue repair, healthier-looking skin, a stronger immune response, and even better hormone signaling. Your body doesn't fear cholesterol. It literally requires it to function. Okay, number 3 is where things get really interesting, and it's the one that shocks most people. Your heart may actually become more protected. I know, this flies in the face of everything we were told for years. But multiple modern, high-quality studies show that for most people, eggs do not significantly raise the bad LDL cholesterol. In fact, they can actually increase HDL, which is the good, protective cholesterol. Even more, they can improve the quality of your LDL particles, changing them from small, dense, and dangerous to large, fluffy, and much less of a threat. So, what's the real culprit damaging our arteries? It's sugar, refined carbohydrates, chronic inflammation, and oxidized seed oils. Eggs took the blame for decades, but they were never the trigger. Moving on to number 4, your metabolism becomes more stable. This one is a game changer for anyone struggling with energy crashes or cravings. Eggs contain a powerful combination of complete protein, healthy fats, and zero sugar. This perfect trio works together to reduce insulin spikes, stabilize your blood glucose levels, and improve your satiety hormones, the ones that tell your brain you're full. People who eat eggs for breakfast often report having fewer cravings throughout the day, snacking less, and enjoying more stable, consistent energy. It's a simple switch that can lead to easier weight control. This is exactly why eggs are consistently linked to better metabolic health, not worse. Number 5, your muscles get a higher quality signal to grow and repair. Egg protein is considered biologically complete. This is a fancy way of saying it contains all 9 essential amino acids in the perfect ratios that our bodies need, but can't produce on their own. This makes eggs an incredible tool to help prevent age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Eating them daily helps improve muscle repair after a workout, supports strength retention, and keeps your body strong. This is especially critical for adults over 40, active individuals, and anyone in the process of losing weight, because you want to lose fat, not precious muscle. Number 6 is all about your mental well-being. Your mood and stress response can improve. Your brain's chemistry is delicate, and it relies on specific nutrients to function properly. Eggs are packed with them. They contain choline and B vitamins for neurotransmitter production, tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin, and healthy fats that support overall brain health. Together, these nutrients support dopamine balance, acetylcholine signaling for focus, and overall nervous system stability. It's not uncommon for people to notice a significant improvement in their mood and mental clarity when they make eggs a daily staple. Number 7, your eyes receive direct protection. The vibrant yellow color of an egg yolk isn't just for looks. It's a sign of powerful antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. These two compounds accumulate in your retina, acting like internal sunglasses. They help protect your eyes against damage from blue light. Yes, the light from our screens, and are proven to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. And here's the key. The healthy fats in the egg yolk dramatically increase the absorption of these antioxidants, making them far more effective than just getting them from vegetables alone. Number 8, another surprise for many. Your liver gets support, not stress. The old myth was that fatty foods stress the liver. The reality? Choline deficiency is one of the strongest drivers of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Since eggs are a powerhouse of choline, they actually help your body transport fat out of the liver, reducing the risk of fat buildup. They also support bile production, which is essential for digesting fats, and aid in the liver's natural detoxification pathways. So, far from harming your liver, eggs provide a key nutrient to help it function correctly. Number 9, your hormones function more efficiently. This is huge. Your body's most important hormones, including testosterone, estrogen, and the stress hormone cortisol, are all made from cholesterol. When you follow a low-fat, low-cholesterol diet, you're essentially starving your body of the raw materials it needs for proper hormone production. Eggs provide that necessary cholesterol and also support the activation of vitamin D, which itself acts as a hormone in the body. Providing your endocrine system with these building blocks is fundamental for hormonal balance. Finally, we've arrived at number 10, and this might be the most important point of the entire video. What actually determines if eggs help or hurt you? Here's the truth most people never hear. It's all about context. An egg is not an egg is not an egg. It's about what you eat with the egg. If you're eating your eggs with a side of sugary pancakes, toast made from refined white flour, and cooking them in highly processed seed oils, you're going to get a completely different biological outcome. That combination spikes your blood sugar and creates inflammation. But if you eat those same eggs with sautéed spinach, avocado, or a side of berries, you create a completely different metabolic environment, one that is stable, anti-inflammatory, and nourishing. The egg itself isn't the problem. the company it keeps is. Now, before we wrap up, a very important disclaimer. While eggs are a superfood for most of us, there are a few exceptions. If you have a confirmed egg allergy, you should obviously avoid them. Similarly, individuals with rare genetic cholesterol disorders, like familial hypercholesterolemia, should work closely with their doctor. And if you have severe issues digesting fats, you might need to be cautious. For everyone else, eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense, affordable, and beneficial foods you can possibly eat. So, how do you get the most benefits? The cooking method matters. Soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled on low heat are fantastic options because they protect the delicate nutrients in the yolk. If you're frying them, use a stable fat like butter, ghee, or olive oil. Try to avoid cooking them on super high heat until the yolks are burned, and definitely steer clear of those inflammatory vegetable and seed oils. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this deep dive. I hope this cleared up a lot of the myths surrounding eggs and inspired you to see them in a new light. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. How do you like to eat your eggs? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.